This video will walk you through using the student book view for secondary content in the Collins Hub. This is applicable to GCSE Science, GCSE Maths, Key Stage 3 Science and Key Stage 3 Maths frameworking. When you select the student book option, you will see the ebook broken down into chapters. When you open a chapter, you will see the book view. From here, you can navigate through the pages by clicking through the arrows. You can jump to a specific page by clicking the three dots and typing in the page number. You can also navigate via the Contents menu on the right side by clicking the page you wish to show, or by selecting a video or interactive. To collapse the Contents menu, click the arrow in the top right. This can be used to show the menu again. You can choose to access a video by selecting it from the Contents menu and then pressing the play icon. Be aware that if you click the next button, it will take you back to the page after the last one you viewed. If you wish to go to the next page after the video, you should select it from the Contents menu and then continue to navigate as normal with the arrows.